Street rod time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1937 Chevrolet two-door town sedan is how this would have started out before it was street rodded. 350 V8 underneath the hood now. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped too. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Cool features. Checked out the Frenched-in Chevy logo blinkers, and you can see paint has a nice reflection to it. It's kind of a very, very deep wine color, I guess I'd call it. Kind of those fuchsia flames. We'll check under the hood here at the end of the video, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, if you want to check out all the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing chrome wheels. Those power brakes, disc up front, you can take a look at through those wheels. This is a glass fender car, front and rear fenders glass, steel body. Paint shows well, but you will find some imperfections. Take a look in the still pictures. Try to get a few close-ups of them. A little bit of bubbling up there in the paint if you can see it. Cloth interior, bucket seats, low car shifter, tilt column, VDO gauges. Nice setup in the interior. We're going to get around to the driver's side, open it up, check it out a little closer. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the smoked side glass, the two side windows in the front are also smoked. You can see that in the still pictures. So obviously know your state and local laws when it comes to the percentage of window tint that you can have. Frenched-in taillights. Kind of a cool logo painted on the deck lid. Sorry about the background noise. Doing a little bit of renovating, move some things around in our photo area. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. In the description is going to take you right there. Door popper, driver's side is up in the driver's fender, or wheel well, I should say. So driver's wheel well on the back side of it. So there is a rubber black button to push to pop the driver's door. Unfortunately, with the camera, I'm not going to be able to reach up in there, do that all at the same time. I left the windows down so I can open it up. But there is a door popper. Button front, driver's side, wheel well on the inside of it, behind the wheel. If you look at the underside picture, you'll notice it has newer mufflers, exhaust pipes. When we get underneath the hood, you can see Edelbrock carbs and headers underneath there. It also has painless wiring, and I think I mentioned power windows, but it also has a power trunk. And let's check out this interior a little closer, and I'll point some of those things out. All right, so of course power windows here. Door has to be shut to make the connection, FYI, so you're not going to be able to roll the window down with the door open. And the power trunk switch right here. Up raises it, down lowers it. There's your tilt column. Again, the VDO gauges, vintage AC controls. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Oops. All right. Now there is a kind of a digital player control system in the glove box. I've not played around with that a whole lot. Just want to make you aware of that. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Take a look at the door panels. Bucket seats, reclining back, seat belts intact, kind of that matching inlay to highlight the flames in this car, same as the door panels. crazy exhaust, just a nice rumble coming out of that. We close that door. I didn't push it very hard. Let's make sure that closes nicely. Oh yeah. To release the hood, there'll be a hood release on the inside of the car. I believe it's pull it back at you, and we'll be able to fold this hood open. So again, steel body, glass fender. Let's go ahead and pause this a second. I'll pop that hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. All right, for the hood release, the handles under the dash down here on the left side. And it is pushed forward to release. These are spring loaded, so push it forward, release it so as you lift up the hood panel. Get 350 paired up with automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350, power steering, power brakes, AC, Edelbrock carb, and I believe you can take a peek in the pictures. You'll see it with the side panel off. So check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. If you got a question or two, give us a call. Consult with a sales associate. 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you do call in or email. 1937 Chevrolet Street Rod, 2-door town sedan.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1937 Chevrolet Street Rod. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry, so we're able to take some driving videos for you guys. This is really a sweet ride. It's got a great sound. Feels like a really good steering ratio. It's easy to turn quick. It's an automatic on the floor. Oil pressure is about 40 right now. Volts are 12.5. Fuel's reading about 1/3 of a tank. The water temperature is reading maybe 120, 130. It is cold out. Speedometer says I'm doing 60. It feels more like 45, so that may be off a little. There is in the glove box a Bluetooth receiver, so I have that open for you to see. That's the radio. Cylinder. Blower motor works. We do have a wiper on the driver's side, and that works.